Hi, this is Dominic from Paphos Life. This is only a short little film, but the other day someone was asking if the road near Pinguinos was fully open again yet or not. And I said it wasn't because you could only go in one way in part of it. Well, I've just been driving in Kato Paphos this morning and you can now go both ways, so it's completely open. In this little film we'll just be driving up the road behind Papantoniou's, and then we'll cut through Bar Street and we'll finish at the top end of Bar Street, so it's only about 4 minutes long. But yes, so somebody has obviously been busy, as you'll see in a minute. Weather-wise, a lot less dust now thanks to the rain we had, I think, yesterday. So hopefully the weather will be getting back to normal. There's quite a lot of tourists about. It's a bank holiday today, I should say as well. Labour Day. And it's also a bank holiday on Monday and possibly on Friday as well, because it's got Good Friday and Easter Monday. I know for sure, for instance, the mall is closed on Monday, but they didn't say they were closed on Friday, so it might be less strict, so to speak. Because Cyprus has the Greek Orthodox Easter, which this year is on May the 5th. I didn't even have time to edit out that stoppage there. Cool. Right, so we're going behind Papantoniou's now. Now the only issue they're going to have is people parking on double yellow lines, as you'll see in a bit, because they've got into the habit of it when the road hasn't been fully opened. But now I see you can turn right here, whereas you never used to be able to. And ditto coming from the other way, you can turn left there. But you've got all these people parking there on the right. And there was, admittedly, in that case, there is still parking bays drawn on, but they need to get rid of them because it's they've since put a double yellow line on, so it's a bit contradictory. Anyway, rather than going up there, I will cover up there on another film, obviously, but we're going to go left and up into Bar Street. It's a lot brighter today. I'm very glad, but it also means it'll be getting warm again. And we turn right at the top here. And just think, one day in the future, however many years, we'll be driving down here and the whole of Bar Street will have been renovated, which would be very nice. It's also nice to see places like Flares that are doing a good job of making it look nice. There's Notorious, not open. And down to a less salubrious end. Though, as I said in the previous film, there is a nice little restaurant down there on the left now. So do consider that on your travels, just in there on the left. Okay, well, hope you can see that work in Paphos is progressing at a very quick rate, and all the renovations on the right should be finished soon. Cheers.